Welcome to Perform and Transform on YouTube. I'm Coach Patrick, #1 weight loss personal trainer in Vancouver to help you lose weight permanently. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications because we got workout videos every single day. Today, we're gonna be doing a beginner leg workout to really tone up the legs. We're going 3 exercises, 3 sets for a total of 10 minutes. Transformers, let's go. All right, our first exercise, we're gonna be doing lunges with the right leg. We're gonna be going 45 seconds. Let's go. Good, you wanna make sure you're pushing up to the front heel. Here's a 90-90 bend on both knees, and then you can place your hands in the hips while keeping the chest up. Every time you stand up tall, I want you to breathe out. Breathe out. Good, keep it going. Nice work, guys. 20 seconds. Good work. Make sure you're engaging your glutes at the top. As you stand up tall, you're gonna breathe out. Stand up tall, breathe out. Yeah, nice work. And 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. All right, shake off those legs. We're gonna do the other side. This time we're gonna have the left leg forward and the right leg back. Ready, position. We're gonna start in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Lunges. Good. Again, make sure to keep that chest up. We're bending both knees and then use the legs to stand up tall. Emphasize on pushing up through that front heel. Good, keep that core engaged coming down. Find that balance. Good, and as you stand up tall, breathe out, squeeze your bum. You guys are doing great. Okay, we got 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. All right, nice work. Our next exercise, we're gonna be doing some butt kicks. We're gonna run on the spot just like this, and then try to get your heel to your bum. Let's get the heart rate up. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Run on the spot. Get your bum towards your heel. Stay light on your feet. You're gonna absorb through the ankles and knees. Nice work, guys. Good. 25 seconds. Yeah, let's start to go a little quicker. 10 seconds. And let's go as fast as you can. Ready? And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, and relax. We got a 45-second break coming up. Good. Catch your breath, relax a little bit. Really important to take breaks in between each set so that you're recharging the muscles so that on the next set, you're 100% and you can give it your all again. All right, got another 30 seconds. Grab some water if you need. You can join me in a quick stretch. We'll stretch to the quads. Okay, find that balance. Grab your ankle, lean forward and pull. And we'll switch sides. Let's do the other leg. Okay, and after this, we're gonna start our lunges again. Let's start with the right leg forward again, left leg back. Ready, position, in 3, 2, 1, second set. Here we go, lunges. On the spot, bending both knees, keeping the chest up, push through that front heel. Nice work. This is a great exercise for strengthening the quads, strengthening the glutes, working the hamstrings, finding your core for stability. Good, nice work, drive up through the legs. More than halfway there, you got 20 seconds left. Good work, and 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. We're gonna go ahead and switch legs. We're gonna have our left leg forward, and then right leg back this time. Let's get in a ready position. Make sure you have a big step forward, big step back. Keep the chest up, keep the shoulders back. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Every time you stand up tall, I want you to breathe out. Get down low, core tight, up and breathe out. Good work. It shouldn't take many reps for you to start feeling the burn through the legs. Make every single rep count. Good. Continue to squeeze the core for balance. Nice job. Push through that front heel. You guys are doing great. Halfway there, guys. 20 seconds. And 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. All right. Next, we're going to keep that heart rate up with some butt kicks. We're going to start here in 10 seconds. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's start the butt kicks. Stay light on your feet. Let's get the heels touching your bum. Yeah, you can pump those arms as well. Nice work, guys. Okay, I want you guys to be dripping in sweat after this workout video. Okay, go as fast as you can. Pump those legs. Keep that heart rate up high. Nice work, halfway there, 20 seconds. 10 seconds coming up. I want you to go as fast as you can. Ready? And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. All right, take a 45-second breather. Grab some water, catch your breath, do a quick stretch, and then we're gonna get started with our third set coming up. Grab your ankle and pull, a stretch of the quads, find that balance. Nice work. Let's go ahead and switch sides. Other side, grab your ankle and pull. All right, let's get ready for our third and final set. We got lunges with the left leg, lunges with the right leg, butt kicks, 45 seconds, and we're done for the workout video. Goes by quick. Left leg forward, right leg back, lunges, 45 seconds, let's start. Okay, push through that front heel. Good, as soon as you come down, straight back up. Controlling the way down. Make sure you're not slamming your knee against the floor. You're going about 2 inches off the floor, and then you're standing up tall. Good, pump those legs, strengthen those legs, tone up the legs, doing great. Nice work. Five seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and other side. Right leg forward, left leg back. Good. Now that you guys are in the zone, let's get a big push coming up. Last set of lunges. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Down and up, push through that front heel. Yeah, focus on quality reps. As soon as you come down, again, straight back up. Continue to breathe. Continue to stay balanced. Squeeze that core. Yeah, pump both the legs. Down and up. Down and up. Great work, guys. Yeah, continue to breathe. 10 seconds, finish strong with me, ready? And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. That's right, we got our last exercise coming up. We're going into butt kicks. In 10 seconds, I want you to go as fast as you can for 45 seconds, and then we're done for the day. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, butt kicks, let's go. I want to see a 45-second all-out sprint, guys. Yeah, we're just about there at the finish line. Yeah, pump the legs. Go quick, 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 stay light on your feet. Nice work. Pretend like you're sprinting uphill. Pretend like you're going up the escalator. If you stop, the escalator is gonna pull you right back down. Let's keep going, guys. 20 seconds. Let's increase the speed. Nice work. Last 10 seconds, fast as you can. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Thanks for watching Perform and Transform on YouTube. If you're looking to lose a minimum of 15 to 30 pounds permanently, then head on over to our website, performandtransform.ca. Sign up for a free personal training trial with me, and I'll see you in the next workout.